One skillet, no stress. Hy-Vee's here to help you find the best tasting and crazy easy eats. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. Today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to make this cheesy Mexican skillet dinner in 3 simple steps: sauté, simmer, and enjoy. Let's get started. First, you'll add a little bit of canola oil. Next, I'll add in some chopped white onions. Today, I'm using Hy-Vee shortcuts to save even more on prep time. Next, I'll add in my lean ground beef. I like to use 93% lean ground beef or higher to help save on total calories and decrease the saturated fat. And now the taco seasoning. Look for Hy-Vee's 25% less sodium taco seasoning to make your recipe even more heart healthy. Now that the meat is browned, I'll add in 2 cans of undrained diced tomatoes, 1 can of Hy-Vee black beans that I've drained and rinsed to help lower the sodium. And now you'll add in 1 cup of whole grains. Challenge your family to swap out white rice for more whole grains, whether it's quinoa, brown rice, or today I'm using a mix of brown and wild rice. And now to help the rice cook, I'll add in 1 cup of no salt added beef broth. Cover and let this simmer for about 20 minutes. And now for my favorite part, time to add in the toppings. First, I'll add in some cheesy goodness. Today I'm using Hy-Vee's Mexican shredded cheese, fresh jalapeno slices for a little heat, some diced avocado for some heart-healthy fats, diced cherry tomatoes, and instead of sour cream, today I'm using Hy-Vee's plain Greek yogurt to save on calories and boost the protein. And to top it all off, some fresh cilantro. And that's it! Find this recipe and other crazy easy eats in the latest issue of Hy-Vee Seasons magazine or on Hy-Vee.com. For more tips to keep you and your family healthy, ask your local Hy-Vee dietitian.